Good Sunday morning, guys. I had to work today. I don't like working on Sundays, but a little behind with the weather, and the foreclosure business has picked up, and we've got some residential work as well. So working on a trimming job today. Still got to trim that oak tree. We do this too. Pretty much anything that comes to foreclosures, trashing them out, cleaning them out, winterizing. I still got to shape those up a little bit more. And I got to get up on the roof and trim that oak tree. In the foreclosure world, nothing can be touching. So they don't want anything touching the house. This whole side was covered, you couldn't see it. And then the back of the house was covered too. So I've got a lot of it gone. I've got to work on the stumps a little bit more. And yep, you could not see the back of the house when I started an hour ago. So it's looking better. I still got to get the stumps down and do some cleanup. What are you guys working on? Just showing you what all that I do besides the dumpster rental and the haul away business. You'll have to forgive me that I am out of breath. I just climbed off of a ladder. I hope you guys have a good week.